Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. Today, we're embracing the fresh energy of early spring with a complete farmhouse home refresh featuring simple, natural touches that'll breathe new life into every corner of your space. If you're ready to shake off winter's heaviness and invite soft, organic beauty into your home, you're in exactly the right place. Before we dive into this inspiring transformation, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our design tips. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share your favorite spring decor ideas in the comments below. I genuinely read every single one. Let's start where first impressions happen, your farmhouse exterior. Early spring is the perfect time to refresh your facade with natural elements that celebrate the season's awakening. Consider adding a simple grapevine wreath to your front door adorned with fresh eucalyptus or pussy willows. Window boxes can be filled with early blooming pansies or trailing ivy for that cottage garden aesthetic. A weathered wooden ladder leaning against the porch, draped with a vintage quilt or displaying potted herbs, creates instant farmhouse charm. The key here is layering textures. Think galvanized metal planters, whitewashed wood, and natural greenery working together in perfect harmony. Your entryway sets the tone for the entire home, so let's make it both beautiful and functional. Install shaker-style coat hooks in a soft sage green or classic white for hanging jackets and canvas totes. Below, place a rustic wooden bench with woven baskets underneath for shoe storage. Functionality meets aesthetics. A large vintage-inspired mirror with a distressed frame opens up the space while providing that last-minute check before heading out. Layer a jute rug with a smaller cotton runner featuring subtle spring patterns. On a narrow console table, arrange a ceramic pitcher filled with budding branches, and don't forget a shallow bowl for keys. This curated vignette welcomes guests with warmth and intentionality. Transform your living room into a spring sanctuary by introducing soft, breathable textiles and natural accents. Swap heavy winter throws for lightweight linen or cotton versions in cream, soft gray, or pale blue. Your coffee table becomes a focal point. Style it with a wooden dough bowl filled with natural elements like moss balls, river rocks, or faux bird eggs for that organic spring feeling. Bring in fresh greenery through eucalyptus stems in vintage milk bottles or a fiddle leaf fig in a whitewashed basket. The concept of edited abundance applies here. Enough decor to feel intentional, but with breathing room that honors the farmhouse principle of simplicity and function. The farmhouse dining room celebrates togetherness, and spring offers the perfect opportunity to refresh your table styling. Start with a table runner in natural linen or striped ticking fabric. This creates your foundation. Centerpieces should feel effortless. A low wooden trough filled with potted herbs like rosemary and thyme brings life and subtle fragrance. Mix vintage ironstone plates with simple modern dinnerware for that collected over time aesthetic. Place-setting elements like linen napkins tied with twine and a sprig of lavender add thoughtful detail. Consider open shelving displaying white pitchers filled with seasonal blooms. The philosophy here embraces rustic elegance, refined enough for special occasions, relaxed enough for everyday living. Your kitchen cabinets deserve spring attention without requiring a complete renovation. If you have open shelving, restyle with white ceramic pieces, wooden cutting boards displayed vertically, and vintage glassware that catches the light. Inside closed cabinets, consider shelf liners in a soft floral pattern for a hidden surprise. The cabinet hardware can be updated with brushed brass or matte black poles for modern farmhouse appeal. Display everyday items like flour and sugar in glass canisters with wooden lids. Function becomes decoration. Above cabinets, if you have the space, layer in vintage baskets or ironstone platters. This visible storage concept makes your kitchen feel curated and intentional while maintaining practicality. Yes, even your refrigerator can receive a spring farmhouse refresh. If you have a standard appliance, Consider a magnetic chalkboard or wood frame message board where you can write inspiring spring quotes or your weekly menu using chalk markers. Magnetic clips can hold recipe cards or children's artwork in a more organized fashion than random magnets. For those with panel-ready refrigerators, this is your moment to celebrate the seamless cabinetry look. On top of the fridge, style with a long woven basket containing lesser-used items, or a vintage wooden crate filled with cookbook collections. The goal is transforming a purely functional appliance into something that contributes to your overall aesthetic vision. The area around your stove deserves thoughtful spring styling that remains practical for cooking. A vintage ceramic utensil holder filled with wooden spoons and whisks sits beautifully beside the range. Consider a small cutting board propped against the backsplash for visual interest and easy access. A tiny potted herb, perhaps basil or mint, adds living greenery within arm's reach while cooking. If you have open space, a small vintage scale or antique canister creates visual weight and farmhouse authenticity. The backsplash itself might feature classic subway tile or beadboard for that timeless farmhouse foundation. Remember, this high-use area requires balance between beauty and practicality. Style shouldn't impede your cooking flow. Create a dedicated coffee station that makes your morning ritual feel special. A small area of countertop becomes your coffee bar. Start with a wooden tray or vintage breadboard as your base. Your coffee machine, whether it's a classic drip maker or a compact espresso machine, sits as the anchor. Arrange white ceramic mugs on hooks or a small mug tree for easy access. A glass jar holds coffee beans, while a small cream pitcher and sugar bowl in vintage ironstone complete the vignette. Add a tiny vase with fresh or dried flowers and perhaps a hand-lettered sign saying, "But first, coffee for personality." This dedicated zone brings intentionality to your morning routine. The family room balances relaxation with spring freshness in perfect farmhouse fashion. Arrange your seating around the flat-screen TV, but soften the technology with natural elements. A reclaimed wood media console grounds the space, styled with woven baskets for remote storage and a few carefully chosen decorative objects, perhaps a vintage dough bowl or ceramic vase. Layer the sofa with linen throw pillows in soft spring colors like sage, cream, and dusty blue. A chunky knit throw draped casually over the arm invites snuggling. An oversized wall clock with Roman numerals or a gallery wall featuring botanical prints adds vertical interest. The coffee table holds a wooden tray with coasters and a current read. Transform a corner or spare room into a productive home office with farmhouse spring style. Choose a desk with character, perhaps a vintage farm table or a simple wooden desk with turned legs. A small vintage radio adds nostalgic charm while providing background music for focused work. On the desk, a unique small desk clock, maybe a brass carriage clock or simple wooden design, helps you track time beautifully. Organize supplies in ceramic crocks or vintage tins. A bulletin board covered in linen fabric provides space for inspiration without visual chaos. Window treatments should be light and airy. Simple linen panels invite natural light that energizes your workspace. This functional space proves productivity and beauty coexist seamlessly. Every farmhouse needs a dedicated reading nook where you can escape with a good book. Position a comfortable upholstered chair, perhaps a classic wingback or slip-covered armchair, near a window for natural light. A small side table holds your current reading stack and a table lamp with a linen shade for evening reading. Layer the chair with a lightweight throw and a single lumbar pillow in a complementary pattern. A woven basket beside the chair stores extra books and magazines. On the wall, install a simple floating shelf for your favorite reads displayed spine out. A small potted plant on the windowsill completes this peaceful sanctuary that invites you to slow down and savor quiet moments. Your bedroom should be a spring sanctuary that promotes restful sleep and peaceful mornings. Start with bedding in soft, natural fabrics. Crisp white sheets layered with a lightweight linen duvet in pale blue or soft gray. An upholstered headboard or a simple wood plank wall creates a focal point without overwhelming. Nightstands in weathered would hold simple ceramic lamps with linen shades. Keep surfaces minimal. A small vase with garden clippings, a favorite book, and perhaps a scented candle in a vintage holder. A bench at the foot of the bed, topped with a folded quilt, adds both function and visual completion. The spring refresh here emphasizes tranquility through restrained, intentional choices that create breathing room. Prepare your guest bedroom for spring visitors with thoughtful farmhouse touches. Dress the bed with fresh white linens and a vintage quilt folded at the foot. This layering technique we call curated comfort. A small wooden tray on the dresser holds essentials: a water carafe with glass, a small plant, and perhaps a handwritten welcome note. In the closet, provide wooden hangers and a luggage rack for convenience. A full-length mirror leans casually against the wall, and a bedside table offers reading material about local attractions. The goal here is making guests feel considered and comfortable. Spring details like fresh flowers in a mason jar communicate care without fuss. Now, let's focus on the bathroom shower area where our spring refresh truly shines. Replace your shower curtain with a fresh option. Consider white waffle weave, soft linen, or a subtle stripe pattern that doesn't overwhelm. Inside the shower, organize products in matching pump bottles to eliminate visual clutter. A small wooden stool or wire basket holds fresh towels within reach. Add a eucalyptus bundle tied to the shower head. The steam releases a spa-like aroma that transforms your daily routine. Install a rainfall shower head if possible for that luxurious experience. The concept of spa-inspired simplicity guides these choices, where each element contributes to a calming, restorative experience that celebrates the season's renewal energy. The vanity area deserves careful spring attention for both beauty and function. Keep your countertop simplified. A wooden tray corrals daily essentials like hand soap in a ceramic dispenser, a small succulent, and a folded hand towel. Choose a mirror with character, perhaps a vintage wood frame or classic round design with metal detailing. Storage solutions matter. Use small wire baskets or ceramic containers inside drawers to organize makeup and toiletries. A single stem in a bud vase adds life without demanding much maintenance. Install simple sconce lighting in matte black or brushed brass for that modern farmhouse touch. The vanities less is more approach creates calm during your morning and evening routines. Bathroom textiles make a significant impact during your spring refresh. Select plush towels in white or soft neutrals. Oversized bath sheets create that hotel luxury feeling. Display them rolled in a wire basket or stacked on open shelving for visual appeal. The bath mat should be absorbent and beautiful. Consider a chunky cotton option in white or cream. Add a vintage ladder as a towel rack for vertical interest and practical storage. Small details matter. Wooden soap dishes instead of plastic, a ceramic toothbrush holder, and natural sea sponges displayed in a glass jar. These thoughtful swaps elevate the everyday experience while maintaining the farmhouse aesthetic of natural materials and timeless simplicity. The farmhouse garage doesn't need to sacrifice style for function. Install pegboard walls painted in classic barn red or soft gray for tool storage that's both accessible and attractive. Vintage wooden crates stacked on heavy-duty shelving organize seasonal items while maintaining aesthetic consistency. A workbench with a butcher block top provides workspace for projects, styled with a few galvanized metal organizers for hardware and supplies. Hooks hold bicycles vertically to save floor space. Even here, add a touch of spring, a simple wreath on the interior door or a small potted plant on a windowsill. The principle of everything in its place transforms this utilitarian space into an organized extension of your farmhouse vision. Welcome spring outdoors with a patio refresh that extends your living space. Clean and arrange patio furniture, metal bistro sets, wooden Adirondack chairs, or a weathered bench create inviting seating areas. Add outdoor cushions in weather-resistant fabrics in soft blues, grays, or classic stripes. String simple Edison bulb lights overhead for ambience as evenings grow longer. Planters in various sizes hold herbs, flowering annuals, or trailing vines. The concept of container gardening brings life to concrete or wooden surfaces. A galvanized metal tub filled with ice becomes a beverage station for gatherings. An outdoor rug defines the space and adds comfort underfoot. This outdoor room celebrates spring's arrival and invites you outside. As we've moved through each space, you've seen how spring farmhouse style relies on consistent principles: natural materials, soft neutral colors, functional beauty, and intentional simplicity. The refresh doesn't require a complete overhaul. Strategic updates to textiles, thoughtful accessory choices, and incorporation of fresh greenery transform your home seasonally. Notice how each room balances vintage character with modern livability, honoring farmhouse heritage while serving contemporary life. The concept of cohesive design means your entryway conversation continues through the living spaces, kitchen, bedrooms, and even the garage and patio. This continuity creates a home that feels collected, considered, and completely you, not decorated in a single shopping trip, but curated with care over time. Thank you so much for spending this time with me exploring spring farmhouse design. I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to refresh your own spaces with these simple, natural touches. Remember, transforming your home doesn't require perfection or a huge budget. It's about making intentional choices that bring you joy and reflect the season's beauty. Start with one room, one corner, or even one vignette and build from there. I'd absolutely love to see your spring farmhouse transformations, so please share photos in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your regular dose of design inspiration. Give this video a big thumbs up and share it with anyone who loves beautiful, livable spaces. Until next time, keep creating the home of your dreams, one thoughtful detail at a time.